We should be lovers in spirit. I'll only fuck with whores. I'm toxic. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, hi. It's great to see you again. I make videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Today's video is a productive vlog. I kind of just show you guys like planning my YouTube videos, taking Instagram pictures, planning literally like hour by hour my days. But if you guys are interested in watching that, feel free to stick around and watch me do that. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd. Okay, so it's Wednesday, which means I don't have school. Which means today is my day off. Which means
you should have got a hell of a lot more accomplished than what you did.
Which means I was not that productive. I also almost slept through my last appointment. I woke up. My last appointment was at 10. I woke up at 9:43 to my mother calling me, Lola, you know you have a last appointment in 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. Anyways, so I got my lashes done. And then I went to the mall and I got this skirt. I got this skirt from Forever 21. It's like a skirt, but it is so cute. It is so cute. This is a size extra small. I got that from Forever 21, and then I got some Nespresso capsules from Bloomingdale's. Today's Wednesday, which means my video is scheduled to go up today because I post on Wednesday and Sundays. So I have this calendar and it has stickers. I had been super organized with this, and look at, I like a lot of stuff, a lot of organization, and then I kind of stopped because I was like, oh, look at me, I'm so organized, I'm so prepared for all of these videos, I have all these videos filmed, and then the video is posted and I have no more videos to upload, so I have to like keep going. I have to edit 3 videos. The pottery video that I was supposed to post last Wednesday, I posted a different video last Wednesday, which was, honestly, now I just confused myself. Friendsgiving was on the 22nd. Then the 25th, I posted the Brandy Melville haul. So this one is the Brandy Melville haul. And then I posted on the 29th the new card video. Okay, done. Okay. So on the 2nd today, I'm posting my pottery video. And then I have to edit today. I have to edit my Sunday night routine, room transformation, and pamper. I have to edit, most importantly, is the Sunday routine, which I edited before, and then the video footage got all fucked up. And it's like an hour-long video to re-edit. Film. This is the productive vlog. A gift guide, cause that's good. And I can do a wish list. So the gift guide should go up, no. See, these should be going up before. I should be writing in pencil is what I should be doing. See, and now I'm confused. Now I'm stuck because I have too many videos and not enough time. I was wondering why I couldn't see. Okay. Yeah, he is cute. Oh my god.
Before we do the box opening, you should let me take a picture of you so you can post it and tag that.
Oh yeah.
That would be really cute.
That'd be cute. Okay, do you want to do that now?
On or something?
Yeah, bring the box over here and I can.
I don't know if you want to sit like in the background so you've got like the tree behind you and I can move the stuff out of the way.
Yeah, let's do that. Let me go get some lip gloss. Okay, let me try this out. Also, I have to go fix it.
That's cute.
So I'll go through these and then post on my story.
And then you'll open it up in your video?
Yeah. Okay, so we just got the pictures with the cute fun FabFitFun box. Thanks, Mom. So now I have to find the picture because we took like a bunch and then edit it and then post it on my Instagram story. This one's cute. This is what it looks like. Just did that. Now back to my calendar because I was rudely interrupted to take an Instagram picture. I'm gonna open the box in a few minutes. I just need to figure out like my videos because I have, again, too many videos for this month because I want to do holiday stuff like now. So maybe instead of editing my Sunday night vlog, that can go for like later because my Sunday night's the same every Sunday night. And I could film my gift guide. No, that needs to be posted. I need to film my gift guide today. No, because I have to post it by Sunday. And then Wednesday needs to be post wish list. I need to film. I don't have time to film tomorrow. I need to film today. I'm getting a headache. Just planned this week and then next week's videos. This is what it looks like in my head right now. That's on paper. Posting my pottery video today, filming my gift guide tomorrow, filming my wish list tomorrow, editing my gift guide tomorrow, editing my wish list on Friday, Saturday. Posting my gift guide on Sunday, posting my wish list on Wednesday, editing my productive vlog, which is going up on Sunday, and then editing my pamper vlog, which is going up on Wednesday, and then I have to edit my Sunday night routine here so I can write that. Edit Xmas haul. I need to film because I'm filming, so I already have these ones. So I need to film here, film Xmas haul, and then edit, edit, post. Beat it out the frame, beat it out the frame. I'm very happy. Thumbnail. I am golden. What, 11, got 3, and then I can take Instagram pictures here.
To the week, I'm booked. So why don't you do like 2 outfits and we'll
3? Or 2:45?
Yeah.
We could go somewhere close. I have to film my gift card. Hi. Focus. It's still unfocused, but whatever. Got my FabFitFun box. It smells. It's still unfocused. I don't. It's having a hard time focusing. I guess it's being. It's lagging. It's struggling. Honestly, it's doing its best, but it could perform better. But it's not its day. Anyways, so I got this. It's like a face scrubber, but it feels a little bit too hard for your face, so you could use it for like your body or like your feet. Next, we got some, it's like pissing me off. Next, we got some of these. These are the Guardian Angel by Botanic Beauty Revitalizing Eye Gels. These just go underneath your eyes. It says that they brighten, hydrate, and depuff. So that's cool. There's 4 of them, individual. And then next were these Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars blemish patches. These go on your pimples, much like the Mighty patches, but they're in star form. And you open them and they're super cute. That's what they look like, little stars. Basically, they just like suck your pimple out, which is kind of cool. And then this little velvet headband, which is so cute. Next are these Muck Lux. I don't know what the fuck they are. I think they're like leg warmers, but they're cute and they have like anti-slide gel and they're laced with fleece, which is so nice and soft. And they keep your feet nice and warm. These will be good and big there. Then we got this really, really cool mirror. It turns on. It is so cool. Look at it, you guys are. It is so cool. There's no batteries in it yet, but you press the button and it turns on. It's by Impressions Vanity Company. And lastly, it was this robe. This robe is so soft. It's just like cream color robe. Very cute, very soft. And the brand is Summer and Rose. So that was what was in the fun box. That was what's in the FabFitFun box. It was super nice. I really like the mirror. The mirror is really cute. Yeah, let's go back to what we were doing, which I don't really remember what. I think I was at the counter, but.
She's got the pink sunglasses, high heels, gonna walk it out. Now, Jane, what you doing in the backseat? I always thought you were a front seat.
That was just a little bit of my productive day. I was like super productive for me because I was in bed. I didn't want to get out of bed. Until tomorrow I have to worry about doing whatever. I have to do my chem homework. I really don't want to, but it's fine, it's fine. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, that was it for today's video. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.